In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Slides transitions better. If your presentation feels a little flat, transitions can add just the right amount of polish to guide your audience from one idea to the next without distracting from your message. Start by going to Google Slides. On the home page, choose a recent presentation you want to enhance. Once your deck is open, look toward the top and click Transition. This opens the transition controls for your slides. Think of this as the place where you decide how one slide hands off to the next. Transitions affect entire slides, not individual elements, so they're great for setting the overall flow and pacing of your presentation. Next, select a transition from the drop-down. You'll see options like dissolve and fade, which are subtle and professional. Slide from right or slide from left introduces a clear sense of direction, which can be helpful when you're moving through steps or timelines. Flip and cube add a 3D feel and can be eye-catching for creative decks. Gallery cycles through slides with a rotating motion that's a bit more dynamic. As you explore, keep your audience and context in mind. Subtle transitions tend to work best for business or academic content, while more dramatic options can suit creative pitches or portfolios. After choosing a style, select the transition level. This is essentially the speed or intensity of the effect. A faster level keeps things snappy, a slower level adds emphasis and breathing room. Try a middle setting first, then adjust based on how it feels when you watch it back. You can apply a different transition on every slide, which is useful if certain sections need a different tone or pace. For example, you might use fade for informational slides and slide from right when introducing a new section. If consistency is more important, apply the same transition to all slides to create a cohesive experience. This is a strong choice for formal presentations where you want the visual language to stay unified. When you're ready to see how it looks, click play to preview the transition. Pay attention to the rhythm between slides. If something feels too busy or too slow, simply return to the transition panel, switch styles, or tweak the level until it supports your story, and that's it. By opening Google Slides, picking your recent deck, clicking transition, selecting a style, adjusting the level, choosing per slide or apply to all, and hitting play, you'll make your Google Slides transitions clearer, smoother, and more engaging.